Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about music player not working, how to fix in POCO smartphone. Let's check. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to find music player. Here it is. You can see. Just long press it, click on I button. Here it is, clear cache. First you have to clear the cache, then you have to clear the data, and here you have to give all the permissions like photos and videos, then microphone, then music and audio. After allowing this, you have to restart your phone and your problem will be solved successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.